And welcome back, tuning into today's video. We're going to do the weekend forecast today. High pressure is going to be dominating the weather throughout the coming week, keeping it fine, dry, sunny and very warm across many parts of the country. Before I get on with the video, just want to let you advertising. There's green keyword ads on all our pages at GadgetLoveBusiness.com. If you roll your cursor over the keywords, they will display ads. If you click through the words, go to the advertised website, you'll be supporting GadgetLoveBusiness.com by doing that. So we've got charts coming from WeatherCentral.de and WeatherOut.com. Radar picture is also coming from the UK Met Office. All three of those websites can be found on my links page. So just going to start off with the weather for last year. I thought I'd show you the chart for this time last year, 6th of July, because we've got low pressure right over the top of the country this time last year, producing a horrible day, pouring with rain. There's over an inch of rain across many parts of England and Wales in particular. Temperatures were very, very cool, just into the mid-teens. Absolutely awful day, and it just goes to show how different conditions could be from one year to the next, because this year it's completely the opposite. High pressure is sitting right over the top of the country. That said, we have got a little bit of rain across the north and the northwest of Scotland today. There it is on the radar picture. Just a very weak weather front coming into the far north and northwest, but that's not going to be particularly impactful, to be honest. That weather front will be very, very weak. So this is today's pressure chart. And yes, it's the complete opposite of this time last year. It's high pressure all the way at 1,030 millibars. Absolutely glorious day away from the northwest of Scotland, where there'll be cloud and patchy rain, good sunny spells, unbroken sunshine in some parts of the country. Temperatures today up to 28 degrees, 83 Fahrenheit, a really warm, if not hot day. I'd say totally different to this time last year. Now, as we move through into tonight, we're going to find that cold front coming into Scotland, but there's a very, very weak feature, just producing a little bit of cloud and patchy rain, and any patchy rain on that weather front will actually die out through the night, so just a band of cloud across northern, western and central Scotland. Elsewhere, mainly dry and fine, with clear spells, some mist and fog patches, and there will be mist and fog rolling in around the coast. I should just say that throughout this week, today as well, throughout the coming week, we will be impacted by mist, fog, low cloud around the coast, just as that warm air rolls over the cold sea, produces that fog. I won't mention this again because I'll just be repeating myself, but certainly throughout the coming week there will be risk around the coast that you could be impacted by mist, fog and low cloud. But that said, some coastal resorts will have an absolutely glorious week and see lots of sunshine. So don't be too alarmed by that if you're off to the coast in the coming week. It's just something to be aware of, that things will be a little bit different on those coastal fringes. But tonight the temperatures are down somewhere around 8 to 15 Celsius. Quite a warm and steamy night in the towns and cities actually. Look at the high pressure sitting over the top of the country on Sunday at 1,035 millibars. It's a good time to take your barometer actually. Weather set fair. There may be a shower popping off over the Pennines. That could be thundery. That's just being triggered by the heat and that very weak cold front. But really the bulk of the country will be dry and fine on Sunday with good sunny spells. Temperatures possibly peaking actually for this particular spell tomorrow, up to 30 degrees in the southeast. 30 is 86 Fahrenheit, a really hot day actually in the south and the southeast. Things will be ever so slightly cooler on Monday, still very warm, but temperatures just edging down by a degree or two. But the high pressure's dominating, sitting over top of the country, so dry, fine, sunny, warm, maybe a shower here and there over the high ground of the Pennines Welsh Mountains, but they'll be very, very much the exception to the rule in most places. Universally dry. Temperatures, as I say, just edged down ever so slightly, but still very warm at a maximum of around 27. 27 is 81. High pressure sitting there on Tuesday, so dry, fine, sunny, warm. Any showers will be very isolated and scattered. The bulk of the country dry and fine. Temperatures again maxing out somewhere around 26, 27 degrees. High pressures there over top of the country on Wednesday, so again it's a dry, fine, sunny, very warm day. Again, it could be showers sparked off by the heat, but you'll really be lucky to catch one of those, very scattered indeed. Temperatures again maxing out somewhere around 25, 26, 27, somewhere around the mid to upper 70s Fahrenheit, just perhaps nudging the 80 Fahrenheit mark. High pressure dominates through into Thursday and ditto for Friday. It's going to be dry, sunny, very warm. Temperatures actually could be starting to edge up again a little bit by Friday, maybe getting up to around 28, 29 degrees in towards the mid 80s Fahrenheit. But really it's set fair with good sunny spells and dry conditions. And that's how we go into next weekend. The high pressure going nowhere fast, very much dominated weather, temperatures possibly edging back up towards that 30-degree mark by next weekend, getting up to, say, towards the mid-80s Fahrenheit. Just have a look at the charts from the weather outlook. This is the chart for today. We know we've got the rain in the northwest of Scotland. This doesn't show it, but it is there. The bulk of the country dry and fine with good sunny spells. And it's the same as we move through into Sunday. There could be showers sparked off over the Pennines, but really the bulk of the country will be dry with good sunshine. Temperatures possibly peaking up 30 degrees. Good sunny spells across all parts of the country for Monday, almost universally dry. Same for Tuesday and for Wednesday. Temperatures always a little bit cooler in the east. We've got the risk of a mist, fog and low cloud around these coastal fringes. But the bulk of the country dry, sunny and very warm. And that's how we go into Thursday and into Friday as well. Temperatures, if anything, possibly are picking back up again by the time we get through to Friday and next weekend. And that's not to say it's going to be cool by any means in between that, because temperatures will still be warm or very warm throughout the coming week. So in summary, it's a dry, sunny, very warm week coming up. Could be a few showers here and there. You're very unlucky to catch one. But weather's set fair. High pressure dominates. Welcome to summer 2013. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.